The Indian Constitution provides for a federal structure where both the center and the states have their own legislative powers. However, there are certain circumstances where the center can control state legislation. The center has the power to control state legislation in certain circumstances, as provided in the Constitution. This includes situations where there is a need to ensure national uniformity or to protect national interest. The provisions for center's control over state legislation are given in Articles 249 and 251 of the Constitution. These provisions allow the Parliament to make laws on state subjects in the national interest during a national emergency or in certain other circumstances. Besides the Parliament's power to legislate directly on the state subjects under the exceptional situations, the Constitution empowers the centre to exercise control over the state's legislative matters in the following ways. The governor can reserve certain types of bills passed by the state legislature for the consideration of the president. The president enjoys absolute veto over them. Bills on certain matters enumerated in the state list can be introduced in the state legislature only with the previous sanction of the president. The centre can direct the states to reserve money bills and other financial bills passed by the state legislature for the president's consideration during a financial emergency. The power of the centre over state legislation is an important aspect of the federal structure in Indian polity. It allows for the national interest to be protected and for uniformity in legislation to be maintained.